Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about the plant tissues. We have previously discussed the specialized cells inside the multicellular plants, and we said that specialized cells are organized into tissues, then into organs, and organs are finally developed into a complete organ system. So as for now, we are going to discuss the main plant tissues inside all plants. The first important plant tissue is the epidermal tissues. Epidermal tissues cover the surfaces and protect them. They contain a waxy substance that waterproofs the surface of the leaf. For example, the sun or the heat from the sun could cause the plant to evaporate or transpire a lot and lose many water. So this waxy layer prevents this. Another important tissue is the mesophyll tissues. Mesophyll tissues are divided into two parts. The first one is the palisade mesophyll tissue, and it contains lots of chloroplasts. That is why it's the main site of photosynthesis. And the second type is the spongy mesophyll tissues. They also contain chloroplasts, but actually contain less number of chloroplasts than the palisade mesophyll tissue. But the main function about this tissue is that it contains big air spaces and large surface area to make diffusion of gases easier. Another important plant tissue is the meristem tissue, which we have discussed earlier. It is actually found at the growing tips of roots and shoots and made up of rapidly dividing cells that grow and differentiate into many cell types. The last type of plant tissues is the xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are transport tissues. We are going to discuss them at length in the coming tutorials, but for now, it is important to know that xylem carries the water and the dissolved mineral ions from the roots up the stem to the leaves where they are needed for photosynthesis. On the other hand, the phloem carries the dissolved food from the leaves to other parts of the plant.